Go on, Grandma. Di is fixing it. She's getting it. Huh? I'm going in a minute. Her battery ran out. She won't be able to do it with the button. She's not managing with her foot either. Nothing. Look, pull, pull, pull. Hey, is it going to start? Don't mess with the motorcycle. No, it's not going to start. We're going to set something up here so we can start this motorcycle without needing the Kickstarter and without needing electric start. Here, we won't need it. And we also won't need to go downhill or run with the motorcycle to bump start it. That's not necessary either. That's all internet stuff. You don't need any of that. We're going to start the motorcycle by hand. Want to see? I'll set it up for you, ma'am. Shall we do it then, Grandma? We're going to start the motorcycle there, using the wheel. Turn it here, look. Now the motorcycle, the wheel is in first gear, right? We have to put it back. Let me turn it here, look. Let me put it back. Turn it, we got to neutral. So it goes first, second, third, okay? It's in third gear now. We're going to start the motorcycle, watch. No electric start, no Kickstarter, nothing. Just use your hand here, look. I bet you can't start the motorcycle. I bet. Yeah, so let's see here. I'm going to grab here and pull, okay? On 3, almost got it. 2, 3, and there. Oh, take the motorcycle out. Here it has to be fourth. It has to be fourth gear. Let's try in fourth. Hold on. Hey, fourth gear, go. Go, damn it. Hold on, fourth gear will work. Fourth or eighth. Now it will go. Speak. It started. Hey, you're teaching something, huh? Did you see? You started the motorcycle without using the electric start, without anything. Look, here it is. See? Laughter. That's it. See you at the next test, okay?